I see it, little one. A beautiful start.
Do you think it'll grow into a tree like this?
With care and time, yes. A seed holds a tiny plan. It needs soil, water, light, and time.
Look at it go! This dirt is perfect. Light and crumbly. Whoa! That's a lot of water.
A thin, steady stream. Never a rush. Let the soil drink slowly. Move the pour around, so every root will find its share. When it glistens and sinks, that's enough.
Soil sip, shine and wait. Watch the wonder. Isn't it great?
Yes! It popped up!
Roots grab food, leaves catch sun. It's amazing.
Easy there, friends. Got a little something sweet for you. Go on, it's all yours. That's it. Share with your buddy, too. Happy bees.
Let's plant another.